What I mean by that is, look at these two images I've got here, everybody. Like these two antennae, don't they look like this thing? And overall, this part is like it looks analogous to this part because the handle, actually the bike head, also moves. It is a bit not too connected with the bike. I think I need one more picture to illustrate that. And their head is also a little bit different from their body, a little bit disconnected. For that, I'm gonna get a little bit more pictures. Just wait for me, everybody. I'll be back. Yeah, everybody. So I'm back. Now, what I want you to see is look at this part. This part is a little bit disconnected from the body. That's how it moves, right? And look at here. This part, their head is also a little bit disconnected from the body, so it moves like it tilts this way or it tilts this way. Like not in the image, it means I mean to be backside and towards us, like there and towards us. So that's how, this that's what I mean. So yeah, that's how I think that the bike. I somehow in my mind I relate these two things. So I feel like my bike is like a wasp. So and also with this tank here, it doesn't look like this part. Okay, I must use a different color. Blue works. Yeah. Uh, Look at this tank here. Also, I must. Okay, never mind. I was thinking of changing the thickness. Look at this tank here. And look at this party here. This part here, the thorax, and this thing. Yeah. So that's how I relate my bike to a wasp.